So we're trying the white strawberry. One piece for 500 yen. Okay, good morning. We're walking and going to the Miyagawa morning market. It's 8:30 in the morning. And it's super cold. It's snowing. Huh? Oh. Ayun na naman yung danggos ito. Ayaw mo na yan. Walang lasa. Ha? It's rice cake, yeah.
Turn left.
Pero mami, gusto mo tayo summer tea.
Ang init nun, anak. Oo. We're in the riverside for the morning market. Oh, so good. So we're looking for breakfast. Spring, autumn yan. Autumn nga, di pa tayo nakapag-autumn eh. Gusto ko rin autumn. Pile of dirty snow. Daddy, ito yung gusto ko matry, oh, yung white strawberry.
White strawberry?
Yeah, look.
Ayaw nga.
Let's try one.
Mahal, ano? Isa lang.
Man lang naman natin eh.
Ha?
Man natin. So, we're trying the white strawberry. One piece for 500 yen. Curious lang. What's the lasa? Let's try. Yeah, sure.
Ikaw, mami. Come on na.
This is Samsam muna. So,
Sobrang precious naman yan. Magkano yan?
500 yen.
What? That's what? 150 pesos? Atin!
Look, inuha yung bar.
Kuya, ikaw, Kaisen. Atin.
Tamis eh. Huh? Ako.
Sige, si Kuya na. Last na, Daddy.
Masa? Sarap! Sarap. Ako mo. Ay, ka mo na.
No, si
Ay,
Kuya na.
video kuya.
Tastes like what? Tastes like strawberry?
Yeah. Wala naman pinag-iba.
There's something special?
No different at all.
Ano sarap?
It's white.
But it's white. You want more, Sam?
Baka pwede nyo ibalik dun. Kuya, balik mo.
Okay, that's for the white strawberry experience. One, two.
Thank you for checking.
This one, okay?
Okay. Thank you for coin.
Arigato.
Arigato. If you want, please have it.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, you can have a seat down there. Here daw.
Para nag-jogging lang.
Sammy, you like takoyaki?
Oh, bro.
Oh, takoyaki na. Huh? It says don't feed the pigeons. Don't.
Mainit. Oh, init.
Mainit ah. How we cheat?
No?
It says don't, wag daw papakainin yung mga birds. I don't know.
You first. Enjoy ako.
Ha?
Ganda naman ng lagayan nila.
Hot?
Mami, ito yung magandang yung boat.
Sobrang hot na hot si
Mami, ito yung pwedeng magandang boat.
Ah, ganda eh, no?
Buksan mo na.
Buksan mo muna, Daddy, para makakain si Sam.
Dahan-dahanin mo na.
Hello, bird! Ano? Hello, bird! Hello! Ay, hindi. Bawal nga siya mag-eat eh. Oh, what eat?
Gusto mo yung magandang picture.
Oh.
Shata.
Arigato. Hidagyuban. Oh, guys, this one. Hidagyuban. It's like a siopaw. It's so hot. Ay, yung nag-go. 好大白霜吧。 Ano na naman yung nakita nila. What that? Sarap ng beef bun, no? Oh. You like to try?
Yeah, let's try it.
Hi, can I try one?
One, okay, 400.
Okay.
600 timber price.
Arigato.
Oh, good Japanese. Where are you from?
From the Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, my daughter homestay in Cebu Island
Oh, in Cebu.
5 years ago. Thank you.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Don't mix the one.
She said that her daughter lives in Cebu. Oh, here kayo.
first. Kayo na muna lagi.
Yan. You try.
Tamis.
Si Sam-Sam.
Si Sam, subong may kapatid.
Try.
It's good. It's like ano.
Try
like candy.
First.
It's
No,
like
you try it first.
It's candy.
Oy,
No candy.
leave ka na namin
No
dito.
candy. Let's buy toy. Let's buy toy.
Ayaw niya.
Only small.
Only
You're a
small
good girl.
Mommy, what's the taste, Mommy?
Yummy.
It tastes like candy?
Tastes like a...
Tastes like candy, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, candy. Kuya. Ay, subo, Kuya. Kuya.
Parang leche plan na pudding nila. Sarap.
Oh. I taste it, ah.
Sarap. Yummy.
Tastes like gummy bears.
Good. Look, I taste it, ah.
You not
Tastes like
tasting
gummy
it, you
bears.
eat it eh.
You munchkin ko naman. Tastes like gummy bear.
Sige
Ayaw
na,
mo
tas
gummy
buy
bear?
tayo ng toy mo. Dali.
Ayaw mo?
Ayun no, may strawberry ulit doon. No?
Wala, sarap eh.
Hi! Okay, let's try one of each na lang. Matuwa akong barya. Tangan yata, barya lang. Hi! One.
わなびカスタードチョコレートではい、先生
Arigato!
Arigato.
Dapat diretso.
Ganun sila ka meticulous.
Yet! I'm videoing you. It was good, the food. You like more? Okay, let's find more. Let's hanap more pa. Let's hanap more food. Love you. You look so cute in your clothes. Are you cold? Do you want to cover your nose? Si engineer. Ha? Me?
100% money.
What that? Ay, ayoko yun. Parang croissant. Loko talaga ng taba ng ibo. Ha? Oh, it's a pork rice dumpling. Arigato. That two? Right. Huy! Baka laglagar yan! What that, Sammy? What did you see? Halika, can I check your chiffon? Oli ka, nag-dry water?
Lunch, do you want more?
Created purely by the potato owner.
Okay na? Wait lang.
Need water.
Favorite niya, kamote. Ah. Ang sakit, ang bigat sa tiyan eh. Pero kung nga.
Naman eh. Bibili tapos papaubos
Eh, ikaw sabi mo, ikaw ang gustong bumili yan eh. Shay! Oh, you share with Dada.
Right ng sipon. Kuya, nasa yung tissue?
Sa akin. Already reached the end of the market. Oh, anis talaga ng stream nila oh. So clean. Baka yan. Ganda siguro sa autumn dito, Daddy, oh. Yung bago siya maglagas. Ayan, toilet.
Wanna buy water, Mom?
Ka naman.
Wanna go to the ride on the ride tomorrow? Ay, go yan.
What it did. Saan dito? Dito nga oh. City office. That's their ano. Diyan si Mayor. Ano bang government nila? Dati may mayor ba sila? May mayor ba sila? May mayor? Ha? May mayor sila? Say, you're gonna go na? Okay, so good. Bye, Hotel Residence Takayama. The room was so spacious. The view was so great. In the street, bring lang bring this. Having for lunch.
sa amin yung mga ganitong cake. Pag-halo ito sa
Okay. Uy, 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 uy. Ay, arigato.
Meron sa mga... Meron sa mga...
Set yung bag mo nga naman. Upo siya eh. What's your burger? Yummy? What's it called? Roasted.
Subs. Soy sauce probably. These are
Crap.
1 out of 3 burgers na nakakain.
Eat muna. Dami pa. How about yours? Let me see.
Takiyama something. Takiyama burger.
Terima burger. Si Babay Takayama.
Babay Takiyama.
Babay Takayama. Huwag na goto na goya na.
At Nagoyama.
Babay Takayama.
This bus may come to a sudden stop in order to avoid accidents. We will soon enter the expressway. Please fasten your seatbelt in order to ensure your safety. This is a non-smoking bus. We ask for your cooperation.